Dear viewers, today's topic is finance. Sometimes it can be what is finance? Finance, what is it? Definition of finance, define finance. What do you mean by finance? Meaning of finance, understanding finance. Dear viewers, let's go start discussion of this topic. Finance is English word which is originated from a Latin word that is called is phoenix. In micro sense, finance means collecting money or supplying of money. In macro sense, we can define finance is making plan of money, collecting money, using money, preserving money by organization. Dear viewers, there are many scholars or many researchers. They define finance various way. Today's I will discuss about two scholar definition of finance. First of all, according to L.G. Gitman, finance can be defined as the art and science of managing money. Finance is concerned with the process, institutions, markets, and instruments involved in the transfer of money among and between individuals, businesses, and governments. Another scholar, Shale and Halley, define finance as this way. Finance is a body of facts, principles, theories dealing with raising and using of money by individuals, businesses, and governments. Finance mostly relates some activities such as planning of finance, identifying sources of funds, collecting funds, using of funds, and protecting of funds. Finally, finance is planning of funds, identifying sources of fund, collecting fund, using fund, protecting a fund, coordinating and controlling a fund for a person, a businessman, financial institution, social organization, and government or any purposes. By this way, we can conclude that finance is a part of knowledge which is related with planning of funds, identifying different sources of funds, and collecting funds from these sources, using this in profitable investment, protecting funds for future necessary or meeting future needs, and coordinating and controlling of these funds by a person or a businessman or financial institution or social organization or government. Thanks for watching my video.